At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. Art therapy worksheets are valuable tools used by professional art therapists to support the therapeutic process. According to the American Art Therapy Association, art therapy is an integrative mental health profession that combines creative processes with psychological theory to enhance the well-being of individuals and communities. Our art therapy worksheet template features structured art projects including activities like an emotional wheel, a draw your heart exercise, and a crystal ball activity. These exercises serve as excellent icebreakers, helping clients start their journey of self-expression. Write the name and date. Once you've selected a worksheet, ask your client to write their name and the date at the top. This simple step helps record the session for future reference. Complete the worksheet. Your client will follow the specific instructions on the worksheet. For example, with the emotion wheel, they will select emotions to focus on, write them in the provided segments, and then visually represent what each emotion means to them. For the crystal ball activity, they'll imagine and illustrate their future self or an ideal future vision. Save the worksheet. If you, as a therapist, need to keep a record of the completed worksheet, store it securely in the client's file. Here are the benefits of using our art therapy worksheet template. Pre-formatted and structured. The template saves therapists time by providing ready-made art therapy activities, eliminating the need to come up with new prompts or exercises. Monitor progress over time. Having clients complete these worksheets multiple times can provide a visual record of their progress. Engages creative clients. For clients who enjoy creative outlets, these worksheets provide a great way to break the ice and foster open communication. If you'd like to see a sample of our art therapy worksheet, check out the example we've provided, and to explore more templates or learn how Carepatron can simplify your practice management, visit our website and sign up for free. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.